Are you tired of boring old conics?
This parabola stinks.
Are circles just too round?
What a pointless circle.
Then hyperbolas are just for you.
So what is a hyperbola?
The definition of the hyperbola is a set of all points on a plane such that a difference between the distances from the two fixed points known as the foci is a given constant.
Knowing this, you can derive that the equation of a vertical hyperbola is x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared
Equals 1. Now we're going to talk about how to find the equation of a hyperbola.
In this example, we will have a hyperbola with foci negative 5, 0 and 5, 0. The difference of focal radii will be 6. So, PF1 minus PF2 is equal to 6. To find the equation of this hyperbola, we will use the distance formula to find the distance from the foci to a point on the hyperbola. From this, we can derive the equation to be x squared over 9 minus y squared over 16 equals 1.
So what does each variable do? In the equation, x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. H controls the horizontal placement of the center, while k controls the vertical placement of the center. Basically, h controls whether it moves left or right, and k controls whether it moves up or down. The section of the equation that comes before the subtraction symbol, in this case, x minus h squared over a squared, controls whether the hyperbola is horizontal or vertical. A and b control the asymptotes and the distance between the center and the foci of the hyperbola. All hyperbolas are set equal to 1 in this form. So what are asymptotes? Asymptotes are linear lines that constantly approach a given hyperbola but will never meet at any given point. Here's how you derive the equation of a vertical hyperbola from its asymptotes.
The equation of this hyperbola's asymptotes are y equals plus or minus 2 over 1x. When a hyperbola is vertical such as this, and the intercept of the asymptotes are at center 0, 0, the equations for the asymptotes of a hyperbola are y equals plus or minus b over x. Since you can derive the value of c from the equation a squared plus b squared equals c squared, you know that the value of c, or the distance from your center to your focal points, is root 5, meaning your foci will be at 0, plus or minus root 5, and your equation is y squared over 4 minus x squared over 1 equals 1, because your equation is y squared over b squared minus x squared over a squared equals 1.
Here are some real-world examples of hyperbolas. Lamps, hourglasses, vases, nuclear cooling towers, and the path that satellites take to exit an orbit. Thank you for watching our video. And with this bottle flip, we say goodbye.